Hi, welcome to Miss Robinson's Grade 4 Keat Haring Project Part 3. Today we are going to be looking at completing our project using paint and Sharpie, and if we have time we'll take the tape off. So the first thing you must remember is we are going to be painting with contrasting colors. What are contrasting colors? They are colors that are opposite on a color wheel. If we take the color wheel and look at it up close, you will see that the primary color is going to have an opposite of a secondary color. So our primaries are red, blue, and yellow. Therefore, our opposites are going to be green, orange, and purple or violet. If red is my primary color, the opposite will be green. If yellow is my primary color, the opposite will be purple. If blue is my primary color, orange will be the opposite or contrasting color. So, to start my project, get back to it, I have drawn in pencil, draw light till you get it right, in each square. I've just done one just to show you what to do. So now I am going to outline in Sharpie my image. Remember, take care with the Sharpie because you cannot remove the line once it is on the paper. When I've done that with all 4 images, I'm going to get my eraser and I am going to erase any leftover pencil mark that I see. We don't want that to stay on the paper as it will show through the watercolor paper. Now I'm ready to paint. I will need a paintbrush, my water, a blue towel to clean my brush and to take excess water, and my paint palette. I'm going to look at the contrasting color wheel again, decide what I would like to do, and start painting. The first thing I'm going to do is I'm going to put a little bit of water inside my image. Then I'm going to choose which color. I'm going to go for purple. When I put the water in here first, it allows me a lot more control over where my paint is going. If I feel that I have a very pale color, I have too much water on my brush, I'm going to dab the brush on the blue towel to take some of the excess off, and now I can paint some more, and I can add a little more paint to my brush to make it a little bit darker. You're going to work as carefully as you can inside the lines. I am doing this very quickly just so that you can see. So, I've done my first one. I want you to remember that you need to paint the images first, then paint the backgrounds. Here's one I have already completed. I have chosen to paint the opposites the same, and these two will eventually be the same. What I suggest now is once it is dry, then we can put in our action lines with a Sharpie. When this is done and this is dry, we will then very gently and carefully pull off the tape, revealing the border that we had put together for our image. Once you've done that, you will then end up with your finished project.